Hello from Lordhair. Today I'm here to talk to you about our LP1 stock men's hair system. This hair system combines a French lace base, a PU perimeter and a folded lace front, making it breathable, durable and reliable. Now let's take a look at the base of the LP1 system. In the middle you can see there's French lace. This makes the system breathable, light, airy, comfortable and invisible. All around the edge there is 1 inch of PU. This makes the system strong and also easy to handle, maintain, attach and clean. Right at the front there is a 1/8 inch folded lace. This helps to make the system realistic and undetectable. Now let's take a look at the top of the hair system. The LP1 has a hair length of 6 inches, a wave of 32mm and a medium hair density. It's in a freestyle hair direction, meaning you can part and style your hair however you please. It comes in one colour, colour 1B, which is the colour in my hands. It is a natural black and common to most men. The LP1 is available in 5 different base sizes, but as with all of our stock hair systems, we offer a professional base and hair cutting service, so your system is ready to be worn as soon as it arrives. It comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee and immediate shipment, meaning this hair system could be with you in just 5 working days. If you like the look of the LP1 and want to find out more, then please visit our website at www.lordhair.com or email us at support@lordhair.com. Alternatively, you can telephone us on +86 532 8082 8255.